Well, hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? That's right, we're going to take a look at something else by Chesapeake Beard and Grooming today. I know, just not like we've never reviewed them before on the channel, right? I mean, they're this little scrappy up-and-coming company, correct? But still, as you guys know, when you saw by that thumbnail, whatever else you clicked on, today we're going to take a look at February 2021's Scent of the Month, Valens. This is a first for the channel. You'll see why here in just a little bit. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Chesapeake Beard and Grooming, by this point, I'm kind of shocked. But for those of you who are familiar, skip ahead about a minute and a half. We're going to get right to the meat and potatoes of the video. Everybody else, I love to give some background info on the company. You can find them at www.chesapeakebeard.com. They are made in the USA out of Indian Head, Maryland. They started up in about 2017. They're entering their 4th year this year. And man, they just keep producing great products. They keep producing great stuff. They keep changing their formulas to make everything better. I think that's kind of cool. Now, Gary is the CEO, the boss, the HMFIC over there. He is also former United States Marine Corps. So Semper Fi, Devil Dog. Yes, this is a veteran-owned company. They do have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Now, let's get real, okay? If there's a problem, you can contact him. He's going to try to make it right. But you're not going to go through a whole product line for the price of one beard oil or one beard butter. Now, I like the fact that Chesapeake got its start with one huge goal in mind: to give you the best products and services imaginable. They're not driven by gimmicks or BS. Seriously, they're truly not. Matter of fact, Gary hates the BS, period. Every product that they make is produced on hundreds of hours of research. Hold on, please. Sorry, kid throwing a mail call at me, so yay! But, like I said, I believe I stopped with every product is based on hundreds of hours of research. It's just not something that they throw together and go, hey, I think it's going to be cool, and sell it to you. Now, what I like is Gary basically packs everything he is allowed to. He creates everything. Everything he's legally allowed to. He can't make the wash and co-wash in-house, but everything else that you find in these, Gary put in there. He does not use a co-packer. So I think that's really, really cool. Now, the price for the combo, and lately the Scent of the Months have been a combo, but sometimes Gary does include just the oil, so you want to check the website or their app on your smart device. It's $37.50 for the both. A 1 ounce of oil and a 2.5 ounce either poured butter or Vitality. Lately it's been a lot of Vitality because everybody likes it. Now, there are no affiliate codes on the Scent of the Month. It's a very limited run. There's no refunds, no exchanges, none of that stuff whatsoever. But if you subscribe, you're going to save yourself 10% off your order. And it's going to be really cool. You're going to get an email kind of. It's like at the end. For those of you familiar with my channel, you know what dump happened there. So I'm going to back it up a moment. When you subscribe, you're going to get an email towards the end of the month, and they're going to go, hey, you know, your subscription's due, would you like to continue or not? And you can elect to keep moving on or not. I say do it just because it's going to save you that 10%. Now, I like the fact that he called this a clean, fresh, coastal cologne. These are the scent profile, well, the scent ingredients, for lack of a better phrase, for the profile that he released. Vanilla, cotton, oud, pipe smoke, and Creed Advantis, yeah, sorry. I don't wear much cologne, so I always screw those up. So there's your cologne part. But there's 2 other elements in here that really stand out to me that make me not like this scent profile. There's melon and cucumber in here. One of the biggest reasons I don't like that is your memory is triggered by things like sight, sense, touch, taste, things like that. Smell plays a huge part in it. When I smelled it, all I really got was the cucumber melon, and that reminded me of a psychotic ex-girlfriend who messed up my life for about 6 years. That's all she would ever wear is cucumber melon body products. I smelt it and I was like, oh my god, where is that? Edited for family. I think we're going to play a drinking game every time I do one of these. Every time my camera takes a dump, take a shot. It just did it again. But like I was saying, it brought back that memory of her, and every time I wore it, it's just an uneasy feeling all day long, like looking over my shoulder going, where is she? The products work great in my beard. I have no problem with how it works. My beard felt great. It felt awesome. Everything worked how it was supposed to work. It's just that scent profile made me go, no. For one of the biggest first times ever, I'm telling you, for me, I'm sorry, Gary, but because of the cucumber melon and those flashbacks with her and that stuff I was feeling thinking about her, no. I know it works great for a lot of other people. I'm not 1%, no. Just because of the cucumber melon and that. Okay. Now, as far as the ingredients, for the oil, it's Chesapeake's standard blend of his jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, squalene oil, shea nut oil, emu oil, and an essential fragrance blend. Now, like I said, it is great. As I drop that, way to go, dummy. It is his Vitality, as you see. Yeah, I have used it. I mean, it's got the big old nipple in there. I've only used it a couple times, so it is his beaten butter. It's not whipped, it's not poured, it's beaten, as he likes to say. So it's got jojoba butter, argan butter, kukui, Kukui nut butter, shea nut oil, essential fragrance blend, and he had to put in there because there's this huge big hubble a little while ago. Ethically sourced and sustainable palm oil is in there as well. Okay, now I know this one is really weird and it's really off the rails for what I usually do for like a Chesapeake video, but yeah, I'm not going to go into how to use stuff and all this other fun things. I still have yet to shoot those videos. When I do, you'll be seeing me point to cards right up top. Like I said, it worked great in my beard. I'm glad I bought it. I'm glad I'm supporting a veteran-owned company. Gary's artwork is usually really, really cool, on point as it always is. From my understanding, he basically has this tattooed on him at some point on his arm, I think it is. Gary is a huge Richie Valens fan. So, with his pop culture theme for 2021, I get where that's in there. You know, the day the music died. I get it. It's just the scent profile. I'm sorry. It's just the first time I've ever had one put in, and I don't want to say PTSD, but instant, alright, where's the psycho? Okay, now it took a dump again, but I'm glad, because we're at that fun part of the video where I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything right down below. I mean, did you get Valens? Did you like Valens? Have you had a good experience with it? You know, I'm sorry for this one, I just didn't. That cucumber melon smell, no, just no. But still. For you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to apologize for all the camera dumps going on. Seriously, I know this one's a couple years old. I know I got to get a new one at tax time. I'm just trying to ride it out, and I'm really sorry for all the dumps. Now, I'm grateful for your view time today. I know we do things really differently here on the channel, and thank you for choosing this option. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, I mean, after this video, who would want to with all the camera dumps? But still, take a look right down there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? That's a beautiful question. That's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we come to YouTube for, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick, painfully look with all the camera dumps at Chesapeake Beard and Grooming's Valens. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a safe day, an incredible day, and we'll see you in the next video.